In this video, we review Etrade vs Interactive Brokers. Have you used Etrade or Interactive Brokers before? What was your experience? Leave your Etrade or Interactive Brokers review in the comments section below. Etrade and Interactive Brokers, IBKR, are two popular online brokerage platforms with distinct features catering to different types of investors. Etrade, now part of Morgan Stanley, is known for its user-friendly interfaces and wide range of investment options. In contrast, Interactive Brokers is favored for its advanced trading tools, competitive fees, and global market access, making it a preferred choice for active traders and institutional investors. One notable fact is that Etrade was among the pioneers of online trading, starting in 1982, while Interactive Brokers, founded by Thomas Peterfy in 1978, is renowned for its technological innovations in automated trading. As of 2023, Interactive Brokers offers access to 150 global markets in 33 countries, significantly more than many of its competitors, highlighting its international reach. Etrade's platform is built with beginner and intermediate investors in mind. It features Power Etrade, which includes advanced charting, options trading tools, and a user-friendly interface that appeals to those less experienced in the market. Etrade's strength lies in its educational resources, comprehensive screeners, and a broad selection of investment vehicles such as stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and options. Its tools, like the live action scanner and customizable screeners, offer in-depth market analysis suitable for investors exploring new opportunities. Additionally, Etrade's integration with Morgan Stanley has enhanced its offerings, providing access to a broader range of managed portfolios and financial advisory services. However, Etrade has some drawbacks. Its margin rates are relatively high compared to competitors, which can be a disadvantage for traders looking to leverage their investments. While it provides commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs, its options and futures trading can incur higher fees, which may not be ideal for frequent options traders. On the other hand, Interactive Brokers stands out with its low-cost trading and diverse range of advanced tools tailored for professional and active traders. It offers two main account types, IBKR Lite, which provides commission-free trades for U.S. stocks and ETFs, and IBKR Pro, which features tiered pricing and advanced market data access. This tiered structure allows traders to choose the plan best suited to their needs based on their trading frequency and volume. Interactive Brokers is also known for its superior margin rates, which are among the lowest in the industry. This makes it highly attractive for traders who use margin frequently. Another key feature is its extensive international market access, allowing users to trade equities, options, futures, forex, and even cryptocurrencies across numerous countries, a significant advantage for those seeking global diversification. However, the platform's complexity can be a barrier for beginners. The range of tools, such as the Trader Workstation, TWS, can be overwhelming, requiring a steep learning curve. Additionally, while IBKR Lite offers commission-free trading, its Pro accounts involve fees, and certain data packages and research tools are only available at additional costs, which may not appeal to casual investors. When comparing user experience, Etrade's mobile and web platforms are often praised for their intuitive design, making it easier for less experienced investors to navigate and execute trades. Interactive Brokers, by contrast, is often noted for its robust and feature-rich platforms, like the Trader Workstation, which offers advanced charting, algorithmic trading, and customizable layouts, attracting seasoned traders who prioritize detailed market analysis and fast execution. In terms of fees, Interactive Brokers generally offers more competitive rates, particularly for margin trading. Etrade's margin rates start at around 12.2% for high balances, while Interactive Brokers can offer rates as low as 5.83% depending on the account type and trading volume. This significant difference in margin rates can greatly impact the profitability of traders who frequently use leverage. Furthermore, Etrade's transaction fees for futures and options tend to be higher, which may deter active derivatives traders. Etrade charges 65 cents per options contract, whereas Interactive Brokers' tiered pricing can drop below this level for high-volume traders, providing a more cost-effective option for those executing large trades regularly. In summary, Etrade is ideal for beginner and intermediate investors who appreciate a user-friendly platform and strong educational resources, but its higher fees might deter active traders. Interactive Brokers, with extensive market access, low-cost trading, and advanced tools, is better suited for pros.